Yeah. Yeah. Shit out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Well, good morning, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and today we are finally getting something that Earl and I have been wanting for a while. To just, I don't know, make some great outdoor living, I guess you can say. So, we have some people here now that are going to, I don't even want to say assist because we're not doing anything. We're just paying for the services, child. But we're getting a gazebo put in the backyard. So, I don't think they've quite started yet. It's about 8:59 in the a.m. And I want to kind of show you guys what is happening so far. So they are laying the pieces out for the gazebo here. We're getting the gazebo finally put on this slab. That was the whole reason we kind of put this slab here, and we just did one little step at a time. So right now, they're going to be putting it here. I may insert a picture of what it's going to look like. Well, actually, here's the picture here. This is what we're getting. I mean, I know it's in black and white, so that's what we're getting. So I'll come out here from time to time. Like, y'all see how terrible the the back patio is looking right now. But once we get that, we'll be able to basically kind of make ourselves an outdoor kitchen with a permanent structure. For so many times we've come out here and we put like those really flimsy ones and they get blown away with the wind, but this is going to be actually anchored to the cement here. So yeah, we're going to get all of this taken care of. So I'll be coming out here from time to time. Bye. Hey y'all, I decided to get up and go for a walk. Been lacking a little bit, but, well, not really. When I'm at work, I do get my steps in, y'all. I get them in every day. But last weekend, I think Saturday and Sunday, I didn't. Neither Kayla or I did. Because on Saturday, y'all, we did garage sale shopping. I know we didn't film it. I know. And I don't know. Sometimes I love filming stuff, and then there's times that I'm like, I just want to be in the moment. So, and then Sunday, I ended up going to church and seeing my niece play her last volleyball game here in Houston. And that was pretty cool because they won the entire tournament. I didn't get to see them win, but I did get to see them do like one portion of the tournament, I guess you can say, where they won. So yeah, that was cool. But anyway, they're still at the house putting the gazebo up, and we're really excited about it because we've been dreaming of getting a permanent like fixture up, and we did, you know, like tons of research, of course, price wise, and you know, about what we can afford and stuff, and getting the right price to have someone put it up for us and everything like that. So yeah, so we're super excited about it. Can't wait to show you guys. It is now 12:36. They started around 9. They did say that it's usually like almost a half a day or even more project to do. So yeah, so we'll just see what it looks like. Well, I'm going to church tomorrow. Of course, I know we're going to want to spend whatever time we have available for the rest of the day once they're done to try to get some things, you know, kind of situated. And then maybe next weekend I'll really like focus on the that outside area and stuff and try to get it all nice and fixed up the way we want it. We got some other pieces that are gonna go underneath the gazebo. So yeah, we'll see. And of course, you know, I'll film that because I think that's something really interesting that you guys want to see. And yeah, so like we said, you know, we did just move into the house 2 years ago. And it's going to take time, you know, to get things the way we actually want it. And, you know, that takes time and money. And I don't know. I feel like my channel is real, okay? We're not, you know, we're blessed to have great jobs and stuff like that. But it still takes time and money and to do some of those extra things that you want to do and, you know, travel and all that kind of stuff. So we don't try to pretend like, okay, the Joneses is all that. We give glory to God for what he has done for us, what he is doing for us, and what he's going to keep doing for us, because we know that we have faith. So yeah, just being real, y'all. We just real people. I'm a real person over here on this channel. W32 don't even try to be putting on no airs or nothing for nobody, honey. I am real. And I want to be, you know, always when I'm meeting people or with people, I just want to be very relatable. You know, you don't have to, I don't feel like I have to be mean all the time. I don't feel like I have to be super duper nice all the time, even though I do love to be nice. But anyway, y'all just stay tuned, and we're back at vlogging because that's what you guys said you liked. All right.
Your words work their way through me like water through a riverbed, dancing
All right, y'all,
loud
I'm gonna get me
splash.
some a chicken salad sandwich, get Earl one, two, and then head it back to the house. I had to go to UPS and return some stuff from Amazon. Yeah, so just a regular day. Oh, if y'all wondering where Kayla is, she is taking a test to some kind of certification for teaching or whatever that she's trying to take. So yeah, that's where she is. We should see her later, hopefully. Bye. Alright guys, so the structure is up. Love, love, love. Earl also got these lights here. They're solar powered, so that we can have light under here when we're like cooking and stuff, like if it's late at night and stuff. But I love the way it looks. I would show you guys, maybe tomorrow I'll probably come out in the grass to show you what it looks like from the house. Wait, let me put my shoes on real fast. Alright y'all, that is what it's looking like off of the house. I actually love this. I like that it actually goes with the color of the house. You know, it's mostly black, white, and gray, like, and y'all, this whole thing is going to be done. So what I was going to say, y'all, like next week, sometime next weekend, we'll probably tackle the backyard because we got a lot to do. Like everything that we own for the backyard is pushed underneath here, but that's why we got this, is so that we can spread some of this out. We plan on having like a couple of bars under here that you can sit at and have some drinks, and then like all of the cooking stuff, the Blackstone, the Traeger, the Camp Chef under here. And I think there's a table too that we have over there that, you know, that it's going to be like a whole cooking area, and then you see the sink right there in the back. So yeah, he just kind of cleaned down the patio area, wiped this down from all the dust from the cement because it's now bolted into the cement, which I actually love. So yeah, this is going to be so cool. Y'all have to stay tuned. Tomorrow we're going to a barbecue festival thing, so you guys will get to see that along with going to church and stuff like that. So yeah, just stay tuned guys. Lots to come this weekend, but next weekend hopefully you'll see a whole transformation of this. And we'll actually get everything set up like we want. Alright, bye.
What to do.
Y'all, they did come over today. We're watching
I completely
this
understand
sick
how he just
quiet on the set thing.
pulled the wool over everyone's eyes.
Sitcom. I'm like, it's not a sitcom.
It's just terrible.
I want to ask you a little bit about
Hey
your
Kayla,
former
how did you do on your
co-star,
test?
Josh, because
Let's talk
people
about
were
it.
very hard on him for what they
Hey
perceived
Jordan,
to be his
how
reaction
is
to
life
your
going
story.
for you?
Yeah,
Great? It's good.
I know what it's like to have, you know, the internet attack you for.
This is the line to go into the Houston Barbecue Festival. on our way into the Houston Barbecue Festival. We got our pan. Baby, show them our pan. We'll show y'all what that pan is for later on.
Fans for the juices.
The pan is for the food. We'll show y'all. Alright, y'all. So this is what the tray is for. Alright, y'all. So, oh, really? Alright, so we are finished with the barbecue thing. We'll talk about that later. But Earl and I came out and started rearranging stuff. I know we're supposed to wait till next weekend, but we kind of just kind of put some things here and there. We actually got the netting up here, and now he's getting ready to hose off these cushions and stuff. Turn it on? Okay. Alright, so like I was saying, Earl's cleaning off these mats and stuff. The power washer thing. We'll let them I'll put them out in the sun and let them dry. But yeah, it's going to come together pretty nicely once we really get out here. And you know, it's taking everything in me not to just go ahead and get things together. So we'll see. Alright, y'all know I'm looking country with this toothpick in my mouth still. But we did a little, what'd you say?
It's because you were country.
A little bit of country, baby. We did a little bit out here, but we're not going to show y'all just yet because we're still working. It's a work in progress. Alright. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Why? Because sharing is caring, and my name is Karen. So why wouldn't you share? Huh? Why wouldn't you? Okay. Yeah. So tell all your friends about Darkberry 32. I would highly appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a fabulous, wonderful day, night, week, weekend, whatever time it is. All right, y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye.